Alright, we're gonna get a warm-up in here. We're gonna start with 20 mummy kicks. Keep your arms straight out in front of you and keep your legs straight. Kick one leg up at a time all the way up to your hand. Then you're gonna do 10 burpees. You guessed it, the crowd favorite. You know you love them, you gotta do them. 10 burpees, full body warm-up. And then we're gonna move on to 60 butt kickers. Make sure your heel is getting all the way to your butt. Keep in motion, and then we're gonna finish up with that and do 10 lunges. Make sure you keep your posture upright. Then you're gonna finish it off with 10 squats. Bring that butt nice and low, squeeze your glutes at the top and push your hips forward.